Hi, my name's Walt Bayliss from Hydrogen Software. As well as being the CEO of an international software company, I'm also a father to two beautiful girls. Keeping them safe is my life mission. And as a parent, I'm sure you would agree that the rise of what we're calling cyberbullying or cyber danger to our children is something that we absolutely must be aware of. As part of our software suite, one of our products is called RepWarn, and we built that product for business use to be able to monitor brand names and products. Recently, one of our customers asked me a question that made me rock back on my heels as I realized that we could also use the software to help our children. The customer asked me, can I also monitor for mention of my children's names online? And the answer is absolutely yes. RepWarn is designed for business, but there's also a personal license that we've made available specifically for this purpose. What does it do? You would load in your children's names, perhaps the names of their friends if you'd like to, the names of their school or teachers, or anything that you might think is important for you to be alerted about if those things are mentioned online. Now, will it stop cyberbullying? No, unfortunately not. We are working on a solution for that, but at the moment it's an alert system only, and I'm going to tell you how that works. So let's say you've popped in your child's name to receive alerts if that specific name is mentioned anywhere online. Then what happens is somebody, not your child, somebody else connected or around, mentions your child's name in a post on, for example, YouTube or Twitter, something on their website. Immediately, as the parent, you'll receive a notification either via email or by our mobile app that will alert you immediately that your child's name has created that alert, and you'll be able to act on it immediately. Again, keeping our children safe is something that's that's a passion for me, being a father, and of course recognizing the rise of the internet and everything that's happening around us. So RepWarn, designed for business, we're also now introducing the RepWarn personal license that allows you to keep a track and monitor for your children.